Today, not today. Hey, God. Yeah. We check her. Now. If you pull her there, if you want to plug your phone, let you go shock your man. If you pull her there, straight bullet go enter your head. Who are waving on my idea with eh? Oh, God. If you store boss, take care of them with store. Today, not today. Now, we're not going to war or any war. Just now, respect is given to those who knows the value. Honor people to those who knows the value. Yes, now, that is why I'm here today, right now, right here, right this minute, to celebrate a very special person. Yes, a very important person to the society. Yes, now, who are they talking about? So, oh, clear, no more say, oh, clear, no more say so, oh, clear, no more say. Yes, now, no other person that 24 bits, but me they call her 28 bits, aka man of the people. Oh, now for all of us, Baba, after you see you so we go sumo you. We're not gonna let you rest. Oh, man, I didn't even I get real for it. 24 bits, when me they call 28 bits. Oh, yeah, almost so. We are not say happy birthday to you, boss. I wish you long life and prosperity and more strength. That thing where you do, that impact where they impact on people's life. I wish you more strength, more energy, with good heads. Baba, you too much carry go. I celebrate you today. Today is your day. I join 1,000,001 people to celebrate you. I join your entire family to celebrate you. I join your loved ones, your fans, everybody. I join them. We come together to say happy birthday to you, boss. Long life and prosperity. Udia ukona ne ogbogo le jawo. Ukpo amu no sexy me. Emi an la we gbe o ato amu so we no. Eli an odan we yo baba to wa ni o. Ma ta ni e bien do ta ni ka o ta no ba.
So it's your girls as soft aka Money Crushers. Yes, I'm here to wish a special person a happy birthday. Who am I talking about? Yeah, the man of the people is no other person than 24 bits. Yes, sir. 24 bits na Baba. Yes, sir. Baba, happy birthday to you. I wish you long life of prosperity as you had age to your age today. This birthday will never be the last birthday you're going to celebrate on earth. Yes, now, please, Baba, that's your kind heart. That's your good heart. Really, they help people. Those are really help people. Go. But you know your birthday. Shaka. See, if anybody talk to you, they say that's the full chest. They block you. You get what? People say that is dead. Put it here. Yes, now. See, let's go for your party. I love you, boss. Happy birthday to you once again. Let you go.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about 24 bits. 24 bits happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Like this your birthday today. It carry weight. It can carry out to a gilly joiner. I say if I not celebrate 24 bits today, waiting again. I am not go celebrate. But more not join me. Celebrate this great man. This great man where they make Benin industry the titi. 24 bits na person wey be say eya oya gboma. Very nice. I never see man like this. Like very nice man. He go carry Edo people. He go, you know, if not only that one alone, he go bring our Edo industry. We say we don't forget. We don't even remember them again. He go bring them come. 24 bit, God go bless you, my brother. God go bless you. God go bless your wife. God will continue to give you that strength. That strength when you say they do one. God will continue to give you. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. I wish you all the good things where you wish yourself. I wish you all the better things where all your secret prayer. I pray may God answer her for this your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Like, you too nice, I beg. If not only to they bring our Edo industry. We be say we be don't forget. We not even remember them again. 24 bits to go bring them come. If now only that one alone, God will continue to bless you. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to bless you. Anything where you where you put your hand, He go to prosper for you. Because 24 being a great man. Great man. Great man. Great man. Akemi ọmọ no gbe wenu gbe. Akemi ọmọ no gbe wenu gbe o ederi. 24 bit. God will bless you, my brother. You dey really try. You dey try for a dough industry. You know, see the way all the artists, the way everybody they bring cake for you, since the way that they celebrate you. You too much, I beg. If not only that one alone, you too much, my brother. You too much. I say God will bless you. God will continue to give you the strength to continue to do this great work where you do for a dough people. It's not easy. Our all bad up put hand for your bag. Hey. Who they play? Our all bad up put hand for your bag. If now let that one alone, you've not finished there. I am so like happy. 24 bits, God will bless you for this your birthday. So God will continue to lift you up. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to give you the strength where you take continue to do this great work where you do for Edo people. So we appreciate you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Mona pray for her for comment, I beg. Make una pray for 24 bits because a great man. If you not here in the 24 bits, if you want to bring people coin, you know they bring one, you know they bring two, you know they bring three, they many. 24 bits, God will bless you, my brother. God will bless you. Ma put the video with Sandoka say wish am happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Mona help me share the video and Mona help me give am better wishes for birthday. Mona give am better thing for birthday. Mona give am better gift for a birthday because he wants to celebrate. Thank you, my darling. Please help me to share the video.
Yes. Hey God, here, we check her. If you pull her there, if you want to plug your phone, let you go shock your man. If you pull her there, straight bullet go enter your head. Pull her when you know my hair with her. If you stop, boss, take care will stop. Today na today. Now, not any water or any water. Just now, respect is given to those who knows the value. Honor give to those who knows the value. Yes, now, that is why I'm here today, right now, right here, right this minute, to celebrate a very special person. Yes, a very important person to the society. Yes, now, who are they talking about? So, Grea, no more say Grea, no more say so. Grea, no more say yes, now, no other person that 24 bits, but me they call her 28 bits, aka man of the people. Now for all of us, Baba, after you see you so we go slow you. We're not gonna let you rest.